Hey guys, tonight let's cook some steak and mashed potatoes. I show you how. Get ready, get set, begin. First thing you would need, pot of boiling water and a pan to cook your steak in. Or if you don't live in a room or barracks like me, you could use a grill. I prefer grill, but this is what I do. I already have my steak and seasoning. I'm using this, making my job easier. Instead of boiling potatoes, I'm just going to use instant mashed potatoes today. Next step you will need is cheese. Cheese for the mashed potatoes. So what you're going to do with the cheese is you're going to take it, you're going to shred some up. I put it in this bowl. I see you guys when I do that. So now that I got some cheese shredded up, I am just waiting for the water to boil. Not quite boiling yet, but if I already did it, but if you haven't yet, go ahead, season your steak with whatever. Like I said, I use this, but you can season it however you like. Okay, the water's taking a little bit longer to boil than what I expected, so we're just gonna move on with the steak. Like, just to recap, we got the cheese, we got mashed potatoes, instant mashed potatoes. You can use real ones. I just am feeling lazy tonight and didn't want to cook actual potatoes. But if you were to use actual potatoes, boil water, stick your potatoes in, wait until they're, you can use a fork, a knife, and just stab it to make sure they're soft. After that, drain the water and then mash the potatoes. But instant mashed potatoes, boil water, add the mince. It's easy day. But moving on to the steak. With a pan at high heat, with some butter and oil, I am going to take my steak, and just let that cook for about a minute, 2 minutes on each side. That will give you a nice medium rare steak. Now that it's been about a minute, 2 minutes, let's flip it over, see what it looks like. So now if you wanted it to be fully cooked, you would just turn down the heat and cook at a low temperature. I like mine to be between medium rare and rare. So let's see how it comes out. Okay, moving back to the potatoes. Remove the lid, like I said. All you're going to do, take it, dump it in to the pot. Good time now that the water's hot, turn off the heat. Use this or something to mix it all up. You may have added a little too much water, but that's okay because it will thicken up as time goes on. Like I said, once again, heat's off on this side. But just want to make sure it's all mixed up. Now, it's a good time to take your cheese, add it. I'm going to create the size of this steak a little. Look at this thing. There, got it. But yeah, coming back to the potatoes, mix that cheese. Mix the cheese all up in this without moving the pan. like to take just a tad bit, nothing too much, ranch as well. This would give it more of a creamy flavor. You can substitute the ranch with milk. I like to use ranch because it also not only does it make a creamy flavor, but it also helps season it a little. I forgot it, but also going to go over here, grab my garlic. Sprinkle it. Mix it back up. Potatoes are good. Now let's move back over to the steak. Sorry, trying to do this all in one shot. I think it's coming out pretty well. Got a nice sealed note. Another way, if you're experimenting with seasoning, you can cut like this little tip off, or that little tip, make your seasoning, cook it, see how you like it. That's a good way to test your seasoning before you add it all to your steak. But just like that, steak just got done. You got your potatoes done. But like I said, I like my steak medium rare, so this is perfect. So just like that, that's how you make the steak and mashed potatoes. Pretty good. I haven't ate yet, but I'm about to eat, so. But yeah, I think it turned out good. We'll see what my afterthoughts are. But pretty simple meal, easy to make. Didn't take that long. Longest time was waiting for the water to boil. But yep. If you have any questions, would like to see me cook something, shoot it and I will make it.